Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Virginia Maritime and Longshore Injury Lawyers. Employees in the maritime injuries who are injured or killed on the job do not utilize the same workers' compensation system that applies to most other workers in the United States. Instead, an injured worker or the family of a deceased worker may file a claim through either the Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act or LHWCA or the Jones Act. The LHWCA and the Jones Act are mutually exclusive federal laws that provide compensation for different kinds of maritime employees. The Jones Act applies to seamen or masters or members of crew, while the LHWCA is designed to cover people who are not crew members but whose injuries occur on navigable waters of the United States or in adjoining areas such as terminal, piers, wharves, dock, and areas used for loading and unloading vessels. If you suffered catastrophic injuries or your loved one was killed in a maritime or longshore accident in Virginia, you will want retained legal counsel right away. An experienced attorney can immediately assist in dealing with several of the entities that may contact you about your case. The Virginia Maritime and Longshore Injury Attorneys at Chas and Boscolo have recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for thousands of clients. We can explore all of your legal options as soon as you call 855-977-0190 or contact us only to set up a free consultation. Do I need a maritime and longshore injury lawyer? It is usually beneficial for a person to hire an attorney as soon as possible after an accident, because they will inevitably be contacted shortly after they're injured by other parties who were involved in their incident. For example, the owner of a vessel may try to discourage a person from filing a claim. Similarly, an insurance company for a negligent party may also reach out to discuss your accidents. You should always refuse any offer to provide a recorded statement to an insurer or its claim adjuster. In some cases, the insurance company may be attempting to get you to accept fault for a certain aspect of your accidents unknowingly. Your negligence could then be used to reduce or deny your injury claim. In other cases, an insurer may offer you what seems like a large lump sum settlement. You should know that these amounts are usually not enough to cover all of the future costs victims will incur, and a lawyer will be able to determine what your case is worth and then fight to recover as much of that amount as possible. Why choose Chas and Boscolo to handle my case? Chas and Boscolo has made taking care of our clients our top priority ever since our founding in 1986. We have grown from our founding partners to now include a team of 25 lawyers and more than 90 professionals with over 100 years of combined legal experience. Our staff is also available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you will never have to worry about calling us too late or too early, as we can address your concerns at any time of the day. Barry & Kaysen has received an AV Premium rating from Martindale-Hubbell and was named to the National Trial Lawyers Top 100 Trial Lawyers in 2013. Benjamin T. Boscolo also received an AV Premium rating and has been a worker compensation panelist for the National Football League Players Association or NFLPA. When you choose Chas and Boscolo, you will receive the no-fee guarantee that eliminates your need to pay for anything unless you receive a monetary award. We will seek a just settlement to your case and file a lawsuit if an insurance company does not make an acceptable offer. Types of maritime and longshore injury cases we handle. Maritime workers can suffer a wide range of injury that may include, but are not limited to, soft tissue injury, burn injuries, head injuries, neck injuries, traumatic brain injuries or TBIs, spinal cord injuries, paralysis, fractures, sprains, muscle strains, lacerations, nerve damage, internal organ damage, and etc. In some cases, workers may suffer fatal injuries. The families of workers killed by the negligence of other parties can recover compensation from negligent parties in many cases. The types of accidents people are involved in can vary depending on the vessel and other circumstances. Some of the most common kinds of maritime and longshore injury cases we handle include, but are not limited to, fishing accidents, offshore oil rig accidents, dock, pier, and shipyard accidents, commercial fishing accidents, oil tanker and cargo ship accidents, recreational boating accidents, cruise ship accidents, ferry accidents, tugboat and barge accidents, crane accidents, dredging accidents, grab boat accidents, and then shipping accident, container ship accidents. The LHWCA covers employees in traditional maritime occupations such as harbor construction workers, shipbuilders or shipbreakers, ship repairers, and longshore workers, but non-maritime employees can be covered when they work on and their injuries occur on navigable water. The LHWCA includes other types of employees under such congressional extensions as the Defense Base Act or DBA, Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act or OCSLA, and Non-Appropriate Fund Instrumentalist Act or NAFIA. The LHWCA specifically excludes seamen or the masters of members of a crew of any vessel who are covered under the Jones Act. Employees of the federal or any state or foreign government, employees injured by their own intoxication, and employees injured because of their own willful intention to harm themselves or others. The LHWCA also excludes certain individuals covered by state workers' compensation law. Frequently asked questions. Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act benefits. The Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act protects workers like you who are injured while working on U.S. waterways, harbors, or docks. Benefits provided by the LHWCA include wage replacement. If your injury leaves you unable to work, you may be eligible to receive up 66.7% of your average weekly wage for as long as your injury prevents you from returning to your job. Medical expenses. The LHWCA entitles you to medical care and treatments that are paid for by your employer through their LHWCA insurance or self-provided insurance. Job protection. Under the LHWCA, you cannot be fired or discriminated against by your employer if you file a claim for compensation. Contact a maritime and longshore injury attorney in Virginia. And did you sustain serious injuries, or was your loved one killed in maritime or longshore accidents in Virginia? Do not wait to seek legal representation for assistance obtaining all of the compensation you need and deserve. Chas and Boscolo understand the complexities of maritime law and can fight to make sure that the negligent party is held accountable for your interests. Call 855-977-0190 or contact us online to receive a free consultation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.